I'm looking forward to showing you the writing experience in ProNote 2 on the Prowise Touchscreen. I can access ProNote 2 either through Prowise Central or through adding it as a favourite on the home page. Once in ProNote 2, I can assign different colours to the ends of the pen. In this case, I've assigned orange to the thick end, and then as I write on the screen, no matter how fast I write, it responds just like writing on paper. Should I choose to, I can write in two simultaneous different colours, and taking my palm, I can then erase as I go along. On the right hand side, I've got a different choice of background colours. These can then be applied to all pages in my presentation. When needed, I can come through and I can annotate over a given input. This could be a PowerPoint or a PDF. In this case, I'm just going to come through to Pro Central. I'm going to highlight my apps, and then I'm going to capture it back into ProNote 2. The joy about this is that when it's back in ProNote 2, I can then easily share to my students, either by getting them to access the QR code or by inputting their emails, and then it will be sent through. ProNote 2 will come to your Prowise touchscreen using an over-the-air update, OTA, which complies to the highest standards of privacy and security and ensures your touchscreen will stay up to date with both firmware and software.